Hi! In this video I'm going to show you how to configure and use the new Recent Posts widget that comes with a Cookie Muse blog version 1.18. You can place this widget on any page of your website and it will load a defined number of your most recent blog posts. As an example, I have placed here 2 of them on my home page, and each of them will load up to 10 most recent posts from a chosen category of my blog. Here is the live website. When I click on a post, it will redirect me to the page of that post in the blog. Now let's go back to Muse. I will now remove these widgets to show you how to configure them from scratch. I will now drag and drop the Recent Posts widget on my design panel. And after the widget elements are loaded, I resize and move the widget to fill, in this case, almost half of the page, because I want to use 2 of them. The template elements can be placed anywhere on the page. Just like the blog page, they will not show up on the final website, but they are needed for styling the posts. I will leave them here outside and briefly style them by selecting a font type and font size. The width of these elements is irrelevant, since the effective width of the posts will be decided by the width of the main widget. It is the actual box to which the posts match. Let's now look into the widget options. In the first field, we need to enter the name of the blog page. Please note that Muse renames the page slightly if they contain capital letters or spaces. For example, if you have named your blog page like this, blog page, Muse will generate a file named blog_page.html. So please make sure the page name you enter matches the actual file from Muse. Also, in my example, the blog is on the same directory level. But if I intended to link to another blog on a page named myblog.html in a separate subdirectory named, for example, members, I would need to enter members/myblog.html. But as said, in the same Muse project, all HTML files will be exported at the same directory level, so I will just put the name of the blog page in the project, which is in case blog.html. If you click a category on your blog, you can see a number at the end of the URL. This is the category ID. In the Recent Posts widget, you could either set the category ID to 0, which means it shall load posts from all categories, or you can put the number of a particular category. I would like the left widget to load posts from the news category and the right widget the posts from editorials. So I look up and it turns out that I have to enter 3 and 2 in these fields. The maximum number is now set to 10, but I'm afraid my test blog has only 4 posts in total. But you get the idea. If there were currently any higher number of posts in my blog, only the latest 10 in each category would be loaded. The height overflow option is about the decision what to do if the height of the loaded posts is greater than the height of this field. I had selected scroll in my previous publish, but now I will change this to push. And if I publish this and upload it to my server again, you can see that the widget now pushes down everything below to make room for the posts. And the hiding option, of course, just hides the parts of the post which super exceed the height of the widget. Probably you're already familiar with the rest of the styling options. They are self-explanatory. I hope this quick tutorial was informative. If you have any problems, you can submit a ticket at support.cookie.com. And as always, thanks for choosing Cookie.